Good day everyone! Andito po tayo ngayon sa Arabella Estates here in Barangay Matonga, Bulacan, Bulacan. Today, we are here to check this 4-bedroom, 3-toilet and bath model house unit by Rocavilla Realty and Development Corporation. Tara, let's check the inside. This is your covered carport that can fit 2 cars, even the largest SUVs. Ito naman yung area natin for your garden. Okay, i-check naman natin yung loob ng bahay. Let's go! So, this is your living room. Ang mapapansin ko lang sa designs ng Roca ngayon, talagang andun yung big sliding windows nila and yung sliding doors nila. Para naman yung ventilation talaga. Tapos meron lang tayong mga ceiling cove here. Pagpasok mo rito, this is your enclosed kitchen. So dito pa lang, ang kulang lang natin dito is yung overhead cabinets and the base cabinets. Pagdating dito, meron kang access going to your laundry area. Maluwag pa siya. So, bit spacious here. Part na to. Balik tayo sa loob. So, maganda tong door. So, baliktaran yung pagbukas niya. Sa first floor, meron tayong first bedroom. So, this is your first bedroom. Actually, ito yung para sa mga seniors talaga to. And then, you can use this as storage and your first toilet and bath. Okay? Magaganda yung mga nilagay nilang mga gamit. Let's check the second floor. So, you have your stainless railings. Pagdating mo dito sa second floor, this is your family area. So, actually, kasya pa yung isang kwarto rito. Pero, dinesign talaga siya para naman di masyadong masikip pagpapasok mo ng pag-akyat mo. So, very good. Maganda to. You can have your couch, another TV. Pwede rin gawing ano dito, yung para sa mga nag-work from home. Very good space. Ito naman yung second bedroom natin. Actually, same size siya, yung nasa baba. And your second toilet and bath din. Meron na siyang nakalagay ng mga sliding doors. This is your third bedroom. Pag binuksan mo yung mga bintana, talagang tagusan na yung hangin dyan. It's very good for ventilation. And going to your master's bedroom. What do we have here? It's the same. So, meron tayong own toilet and bath for the master's bedroom. Tapos yung kitang-kita mo talaga yung labas mo. With this big windows, owning windows, sliding windows, plus an access to your, syempre, sa balcony natin. So, masarap dito sa umaga, saka sa hapon. Pag inom mo ng kape mo, at kunyari, drinking coffee, o kaya beer sa gabi, pwede rito. Okay. I think that's it for a house tour. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung bahay na to. If you're interested, message lang po kami sa Televero Realty Corp on Facebook. That's it for a house tour. This is Hansel Sumera, real estate broker from Televero Realty. Salamat po.